Start from the top?
Yeah.
Let's get this from the top.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's look straight at the examples. Now, first we've got a number line. We've got going positive, going negative, just like a thermometer. Visualize walking the line to divide your integers. This time the direction you end up facing determines the sign of the quotient. So that means if I'm walking forward, I'm going positive. If I'm walking backward, that's a negative integer. So let's start with positive 9 divided by positive 3. Okay, on your board, please give me a very basic number line, like this. Very basic. It says we need to find how many steps positive 3 make positive 9. So if I'm taking steps that are positive 3, am I walking forward or backward? Forward, okay. The step size, positive 3, is positive. So walk forward. Start at 0, take steps, end up at 9. So I'm at 0, and I'm going to walk positive 3 each time. So I'm going to take 3 tiles. Okay, positive 3, positive 6, positive 9. So when I took positive 3 steps, it took me positive 3 to get there. There were 3 positive 3 steps. Does that make sense? There were 3 positive 3 steps?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm glad it makes sense because it's going to get confusing. We took 3 steps. We are facing the positive end of the line. Therefore, positive 3. Now let's see if it's consistent with our model for multiplication. Plus, plus goes up.
Yes.
Let's see if that's consistent as we go. But now let's change it up. We're going to go minus 9 divided by minus 3. Now this one says that we need to find how many steps of negative 3 make negative 9. And so you can see that we're going negative 3. So if my step sizes are negative 3, am I going to walk forward or backward? I'm walking backward? Okay, so I'm going to walk backwards. I'm going to walk backwards 3 minus 6 minus 9. So I went 1, 2, 3 minus 9. That was one step that went minus 3, one step minus 3, one step minus 3. How many steps? 3 steps. I took 3 of those backward steps. Now, why is it a positive like that? Because if I'm taking negative 3, right, because I'm going backwards, what's negative 3? That's the double negative, isn't it? That's like me saying I don't not like you. I don't not like you. Exactly, so that means I do like you. Double negative makes a positive. So what we did, you go, but wait, minus 3. Well, how did that end up with positive 3? Because I took negative 3, negative 3, negative 3. Negative 3, that's positive 3. It's a little confusing though, isn't it? The double negative thing. Although I do run into that, I'll be on Main Street and I'll be like, we're not getting no more cats. I heard that a few weeks ago and I went, right on, kids getting a cat. You guys have too many cats?
I have 3 cats.
Oh.
I had 12 at one time.
You had 12 of them?
Yeah.
Mine, well, I have 1, but he's kind of worth 2.5. Yeah.
Yeah, I have 3 dogs, 2 cats.
All right, let's look at the next example. Minus 9 divided by positive 3. Okay, on your show me board right now, I want you to take a prediction on this. Okay, I want to see if you think you can trace this out on your number line. So if I've got minus 9 divided by positive 3, well, if it's positive 3, I'm supposed to be walking forwards or backwards. Okay, so if I'm starting at 0 here, positive's that way, negative's that way. But I have to get to negative 9. Okay, so I gotta go this way. Because positive is forward. but I know this is the negative direction. Okay, are you with me? Okay, and I got to get to -9. And the size of my steps are supposed to be +3s. Okay? You think you got it on the board? Any guesses? I want to see some jumps there. I'm waiting for you. Show me some jumps. Thank you for taking the risk there. Thank you. Okay. Okay. I see some minor adjustments. Like I've got someone here that's got it like 90% right, but he's going to know it right away. And then he's going to go, oh, I get it now. Okay, so 3, 6, 9. I got to -9, and I went like this. So here I am. I was going this way. But I went down -3, didn't I? I did. But it was +3s because I was facing that direction. So let's take a look. Sure enough, if you look at the bottom, what was her name? Winifred? Winifred took 3 steps, or it was -3, -6, -9. And most of you wrote that on your board. Very astute, well done. It says we need to find how many steps of +3 to -9. Step size is +3. It's positive, so walk forward. Start at 0, end up at -9. Take 3 steps forward. Done. What's our answer? It says -3. Now let's look at this. Let's look at this. First, symbolically, I know 9 divided by 3 is 3, and negative, positive?
Different than.
Yeah, it is going to the negative. But hold on. I was taking positive steps, wasn't I?
Yeah.
But I was taking positive -3 steps. Because every time I took that positive step, I was going 3 into the red, wasn't I? Right? This is my positive step, 3 into the negative. Let's think of it like this way. Jimmy and I go to the store, and I'm going to get that big Slurpee, the $3 Slurpee, okay? And I borrow $3 from him. Second day, sorry, Jimmy, man, I owe $3 again. It's like, oh, Mr. Ewert, come on. All right, sure. Day 3. Hey, Jimmy, still haven't gotten my allowance yet. Can you buy me a Slurpee again? The $3 one? Come on, Mr. Ewert. Yeah, I'm pretty thirsty. It's really hot. So what I did, +3 times, I borrowed -$3, didn't I? Positive and negative. We gave ourselves a negative, we gave ourselves a negative, we gave ourselves a negative. Positive -3 is -3. Positive negative is a -3. Let's look at the final example here. +9, oh, I don't want to show you that. +9 divided by -3. Okay, let's see if you can get it on your number line. +9 divided by -3. By the way, guys, don't kick yourself if you're confused by this model. This is the most difficult model. After the lesson, we'll head out in the hall and we'll practice just a little bit, okay? So, +9 divided by -3. So I want my steps should be -3 steps. So am I walking forward or backward? I'm going to walk backward, and their size is going to be 3 each time. So every time I step, I'm going back 3. Okay. But I have to get to +9. I have to get to +9, but I got to do it backwards to the size of -3. But +9 is this way. And I got to get there with negative steps. Does this make sense so far? Let's see some guesses on those show me boards. I have to get to +9, but I need to take steps sized -3. I like your thinking. I like your thinking. Okay. I like that you have the arrows on there. That's cool. I like that. Can you show your arrows there, Tommy boy? There we go. Not real names. His name's actually Joe Bitterslip. Okay. There we go.